My name's Lauren Poncha. We're here today at Stemple Creek Ranch, which is in northwest Marin County. Our brand is built on doing what's right for the environment, protecting land, and fully transparent, high-quality food that we can deliver to people around the country. I think agriculture is actually the next ticket to help us reverse global warming and make, awesome strides. And so what we're doing here is we try and dance with Mother Nature. We try not to do any harm, and we try and create as much photosynthesis as possible with our grazing practices. So there's always a living root in the ground that can capture Mother Nature's rays of sun. We're carbon farmers, really. We're pulling CO2 from the atmosphere, storing it in the soil. Hopefully, we're gonna be motivational for other ranchers and farmers to know that you can start like this and grow and be successful and be able to make a living and follow your passion and be excited about it. California is always on the cutting edge of new technology, and what happens here usually spreads across the country and the world, so I'm really excited to be part of the movement. Things like the Healthy Soils Initiative and helping minimize risk for farmers and educating farmers and ranchers. And I think with agriculture, we can fix a lot of the problems we've created in the last 150 years.
Restoration is happening across California, from our farms and ranches to our urban neighborhoods to our forested watersheds. People of all walks of life are taking action now to reverse environmental decline and build a healthier environment for people and nature. Indigenous leadership is at the heart of this movement across our planet and in California. The United Nations tells us that while indigenous peoples comprise 5% of our planet's population, they protect 80% of our world's biodiversity. Over the last 4 years, Neria Alicia Garcia, a young champion of the United Nations Environment Program, has led an effort in partnership with the Winnemem-Wentu tribe called Run for Salmon, which is a prayerful journey tracking the 300-mile route of the endangered Chinook salmon. This run engages people across California, highlighting the challenges that this endangered fish species faces and emphasizing the important role that we all have in protecting the fish by restoring habitat. We're proud of Neria and the Winnemem-Wentu tribe for their leadership on this important effort in California.
My name's Eleanor Alderman. I'm the principal of International Community School here on this beautiful shared campus with Think College Now in the heart of the Fruitvale in Oakland, California. The Living Schoolyard project started about 5 years ago. We felt like the best way to close the opportunity gap for students is to provide outdoor space where learning can happen, where you can feel and touch and investigate and do inquiry in a really real, hands-on way. We know that when students feel joyful in their academic setting, that affective filters go down, that students are more willing and open to learn. And so our new outdoor space provides an amazing opportunity for students to really get involved in the academics. Having grants like this available through the state to more schools could really change outcomes for kids, not just in Oakland, but throughout the state of California.
Another example of restoration in California can be found at Dos Rios Ranch, located in the Central Valley at the confluence of the Tuolumne and San Joaquin rivers. Here, a nonprofit called River Partners is spearheading an effort, including many state and federal agencies, to restore 2,100 acres of important floodplain habitat for the benefit of biodiversity, carbon sequestration, and to protect downriver communities from flood risk. This is part of our effort in California to conserve 30% of our state by 2030, our so-called 30 by 30 goal. We're so proud of River Partners and the many federal and state agencies that have worked together to make this large-scale habitat restoration a reality.